Well then, welcome to Big Dog Repair. Today we're going to see what it takes to check a battery in your riding mower to make sure it's still good. There's all types of tools. You don't need to get the most expensive, but I will show you all the different types. So let's get with it. Okay, like I promised, there's a lot of different tools you can use to check your batteries, your 12-volt systems, to see if there's a parasitic draw on it, or if there's a dead battery involved, or you need to recharge it. So let's go with the cheapest way of checking a battery. For those of you that are just starting out, you really don't need to go ahead and buy all kinds of expensive equipment. You can go ahead and just get a light bulb with a positive and a negative terminal and touch the batteries. If the light lights up, you know the battery has power. It doesn't have enough power to start a riding mower. Debatable. Has to have at least 12.5 volts to start a riding mower. But this is what you can try to use, all right? Now, there's other things that you can put on is you could use these dashboard voltage checkers. You can hook them onto your battery and it'll tell you how many volts you have. And actually, it'll tell you if your charging system is charging. Up to 14 volts you want to get in there. If not, then something's wrong with the alternator or the battery. So, you can buy the little cheapy battery testers. Again, like the one that you could make. It's just a thin wire with a ground, and you touch the other side, positive side. If the fuse lights up, you know the battery has some power. Doesn't tell you that it has all the power you need, but some power. You can get freebies like this here to check for the voltage, and you can check line voltage too by putting this on the ground, taking the cover off, and there's a needle point on the top, and you can check your wires by probing them to see if there's life in the wire or in the connector. So these are nice to have too. Good pocket tool. Again, you can go to Home Depot and buy one of these at a moderate price. And same thing, it has a needle on the end of it. It lights up if there's power in a battery. And then, you just put this on the ground and you check your positive side of the battery. This isn't bad price, and it's a nice little tool. Once again, the one with the needle, I have a few of these. Depending on what you're doing, you want to probably set one up on the ground side and set one up on the positive side. So 2 tools are actually better than 1. Now, multimeters. You can go to Harbor Freight or Princess Auto and they'll sell you or give even you one of these on a giveaway tool day. They'll give you one of these. Or you can go ahead and buy a good multi-tool reader like this. And this will tell you how much power you have in the battery. And again, if you start it up and run it up to 14 volts, you know it's charging. And you can do a lot more with one of these than to check just a battery. All right? You can have one of these. These aren't that expensive. They're like $15. You put it on the battery. It'll tell you what the voltage is, and then you can flick the switch and it draws from the battery, and if it goes to bad or good or weak or okay, you know if the battery is charged up and if it's holding a charge. So this is a good tool to have. Again, you can check your RPMs and you can check how much voltage the battery is producing with one of these. That's like I said, like when you buy this here, it's a hour meter and a voltage meter. So you can either wrap the wire around the spark plug wire, or you can put one of these ends on and just clip it on there. And it'll tell you how fast you're going, or RPMs, and the voltage of that battery. Now, you can go ahead and get, they sell them in a 3-pack, like this. This tells you, again, you clip it on there. If it lights up, you know the battery is good. This one here, you clip on, and also lights up if the battery is good. This one here, if you clip it on your negative side and you probe the positive side, it'll light up one color, and if it's a ground wire instead of a positive side, or if it's a positive side instead of a ground, it'll light up a different color. It's almost like the multimeter that tells you if it's connected to the positive side or the negative side. And the same with this one here. You clip it onto the negative battery terminal and check your positive side. And if it lights up, you know you have power. After all these years, I still have so many that I bought, you know, they had tag sales and things. Good to have. Let's see, what else here? This one. This one here, again, you clip it on the positive side and negative side of the battery. You can check all your wiring system. If it lights up green, it's a good flow. If it lights up red, it means it's on the wrong terminal. So you check all your terminals with this type. And again, that one wasn't that expensive, but you know, it's one of these that you can buy for a reasonable price. If you want to buy an expensive one that does a heck of a lot of different things, you go ahead and you get one of these. All right, power probes. This will tell you the same thing: power, how much battery power is in there. If you're connected to the wrong terminal, checking if there's the wire is good inside. There's a lot of things that this power probe will do, but it's a little more expensive to buy, but a good tool to have once you know what you're going to be using it for. You can buy also these different connectors to check wires and things. Again, you know, that's for later on when you get a little better. Again, once you have a battery powered riding mower, you can go ahead and buy one of these battery chargers. This is also a saver that you can plug in all winter, and it trickle charges your battery from so it doesn't die. To charge your battery, you need battery chargers, which I have a couple. Here, I'll just show you one that's right available. You have this type. This is a Husky. And this guy here will charge your battery and maintain your battery. Or you can go ahead and get one of these pocket ones that you plug in to your you can plug your car battery into it and start it up, because this carries a lot of energy in this little package. It'll start your vehicle without any problem, believe me. Or get yourself a real charger like this here. All right, this will charge your battery, it'll jump start your car, do everything you need. Plus I have a few other chargers around on the shelves that I don't want to take down, and I do have one of these big automotive ones in the garage, just in case the car batteries are bad. So, this is Hank saying over and out.
Choose the right tool for small engine repairs by the Big Dog Repair.